What kind of egg is this? Let's call in the crew. Rhea, Rafa.
Imagine discovering a new animal.
Oh, thank goodness you're here. This egg needs help hatching.
How do we help an egg hatch?
Well, birds sit on eggs to keep them warm so they hatch. And bunnies are fuzzy like a blanket. How about a super soft bunny bird to help the eggs stay warm and cozy enough to hatch?
The bunny bird wasn't enough. What else can we come up with? What if we throw the egg a birthday party?
Nothing like a good party to bring someone out of their shell.
But it's not working. What are we missing?
Oh, look at all the colors on this shell.
Oh, this egg doesn't have any colors on it. Maybe if we want this egg to hatch, we need to decorate it.
Great idea, Bria.
Don't forget the sparkle!
We did it!
It looks so good.
Look, it's hatching.
What kind of animal is it?
Who knows? But it's really sparked our creativity.
Spark! That's a perfect name.
Aw, he likes it.
It looks like we have a new crew member.
I wonder what egg-sighting adventure will hatch next.